Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the life and ideas of John Milton Cage. Introduction. John Milton Cage, 1912 to 1992, was an influential American composer and a pivotal figure in the experimental art movements of the 20th century. Born in Los Angeles, California, Cage's contributions to music, philosophy, and the arts challenged traditional notions of composition and performance. His work with chance, silence, and non-intentionality redefined how music was made and perceived, leaving a lasting impact on both contemporaries and future generations. Early life and education. Cage's early life was marked by exposure to diverse artistic and intellectual influences. He studied composition with Henry Cowell and Arnold Schoenberg, two significant figures in modern music. Schoenberg, though skeptical of Cage's talents, played a crucial role in shaping his resolve to pursue music as a lifelong vocation. Despite Schoenberg's doubts about Cage's sense of harmony, Cage remained committed to exploring new possibilities in music, a determination that would define his career. Collaboration and influences. Throughout his life, Cage collaborated with a wide range of artists across various disciplines. His partnerships with dancer Merce Cunningham, visual artists like Robert Rauschenberg and Jasper Johns, and composers such as Pierre Boulez and Karl-Heinz Stockhausen enriched his work and expanded his creative horizons. These collaborations allowed Cage to explore the intersections between music, dance, visual art, and literature, leading to groundbreaking innovations in all these fields. Philosophical and musical explorations. Cage's work was deeply influenced by non-Western philosophies, particularly Zen Buddhism and Indian philosophy. His study of the I Ching, a Chinese divination text, played a significant role in his use of chance operations in composition. Cage believed in removing the composer's personal intent from the creative process, allowing music to emerge naturally and unpredictably. This approach led to the creation of some of his most famous works, including 433, a composition of silence that challenges the listener to engage with the ambient sounds of their environment. Innovations in music. The prepared piano and chance operations. One of Cage's most significant contributions to music was the invention of the prepared piano. Faced with the limitations of a traditional piano, Cage experimented with placing objects like bolts and rubber strips between the strings, altering the instrument's sound. This innovation allowed him to explore new sonic possibilities and create compositions that defied conventional expectations. Cage's interest in chance operations further pushed the boundaries of music composition. By using the I Ching and other methods of randomness, Cage sought to eliminate the influence of personal choice, creating works that were unpredictable and unique in each performance. This approach was both revolutionary and controversial, leading to debates about the nature of music and the role of the composer. Silence as music. Silence was a central concept in Cage's work. He viewed silence not as the absence of sound, but as the presence of all unintended sounds. This perspective is epitomized in his composition 433, which consists entirely of silence and invites the audience to focus on the ambient noises around them. For Cage, silence blurred the lines between art and life, encouraging an active engagement with the world and redefining the role of the listener in the musical experience. the intersection of music and philosophy. Cage's work exists at the intersection of music and philosophy. While some critics argue that Cage's ideas overshadow his music, others believe that his compositions are inseparable from his philosophical inquiries. Cage's exploration of non-intentionality, chance, and silence challenges traditional concepts of music, using listeners to rethink their understanding of sound and its relationship to life. His compositions not only exemplify his ideas but also provoke deeper questions about the nature of art and existence. Legacy and controversy. Cage's work has sparked significant debate and controversy, particularly regarding the relationship between his music and his philosophical ideas. Some critics appreciate his contributions to music theory and composition, while others are more interested in his philosophical explorations. Despite these different perspectives, Cage's influence on contemporary music and art is undeniable. His work continues to inspire artists and thinkers, encouraging them to explore the boundaries of their disciplines and to embrace experimentation. Conclusion. John Milton Cage was a visionary artist whose work transcended traditional boundaries between music, philosophy, and art. Through his exploration of chance, silence, and non-intentionality, Cage redefined what it means to create and experience music. His legacy endures as a testament to the power of experimentation and the importance of questioning established norms. Cage's life and work remind us that the true essence of art lies not in definitive answers but in the endless pursuit of new possibilities. So this was the discussion on the ideas of John Milton Cage. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.